Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Asha, your AVS teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, in the last video, what we discussed? We started our FA1 revision. Yes, children? Yes. So, go and bring your studio book, your EVS notes, and a rough book. Sharp your pencil, keep it with you, and eraser, everything. Okay? FA1 revision. So already we started FA1 revision. In that what we discussed? Yes, we discussed about our body parts function. Am I right, children? Today what we are going to discuss? Open your page, studio book, page number 5. In that about sense organs. Sense organs we are going to discuss. Here some blanks are there. So today we are going to discuss about these blanks. So how many sense organs are there, children? Tell me. How many are there? 5. What are those? Tell me. Eyes. Along with me you have to repeat it. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Okay. Again, what are those 5 sense organs? Total how many are there? 5 sense organs. How many are there? 5 sense organs. Yes, what are those? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So each sense organ is having its own function. Coming to first one, eyes. What is the function of eyes? Tell me, children. So if you just close your eyes. So can you observe anything? Nothing. So what is the use of eyes? Eyes helps us to see the things around us. Around us. Very good. Next. Coming to ears. So what is the function of ears? Ears help us to hear the sounds. Hear the sounds. Next one is nose. Coming to nose. What is the function of nose? Nose help us to what I am doing? Breathe. To breathe and also to smell. To smell. Coming to tongue. What is the function of tongue? Tongue helps us to taste the food. Tongue helps us to taste the food. Without tongue, we don't know the taste. Whether it is a sweet or it is a sour, it is a bitter. So, we don't know the taste without tongue. On our tongue, what is there to taste the food? Taste buds. What are there? Taste buds are there to taste the food. Coming to skin, what is the function of skin, children? Skin covers our total body. And what is the function? If you are, it will tells you the sense. If you will know how the thing will be, whether it is hot or it is cold. Okay, children, that is the function of sense organs. Here the blanks are there. We will just discuss. So here, what he gave my sense organs. I like, I dislike. Here, I told you now how to write. Yes. Now we are going to discuss what is the function. Just functions I will explain you. Here already we finished these things. What do you like to see? What do you like to hear? What do you like to taste? So that's you have to write your likes and dislikes. Okay, children? So sense. Now we are going to discuss about our sense organs blanks. Sense organs. Yes. Here the first one. I can see with my dash. I can see with my dash. What you will use? Which body part is used to see? Tell me, children. Tell me the answer here. Eyes. I can see with my eyes. You have to write eyes in this dash. Yes. I can
See with my
eyes. Second one. I can smell with my dash. I can smell with my dash. So what is the body part or what is the sense organ you will use here to smell? Smell. You can observe the smell of jasmines. Yes. So you can observe the smell of perfumes. So which body part you are using here? You are using your
nose.
You are using your nose. What you have to write in this blank? Nose you have to write. Write down, children. Next. Third one. I can hear with my dash. I can hear with my dash. So what is the body part? Which body part you will use to hear the sounds? If you want to like to listen the melodious music, or if you want to listen the horn, car horn or bus horn, something like that. So what is the body part you are using here? You are using your ears. You are using your ears. In this blank you have to write ears. Write down, children. Next, fourth one. Next, turn the page number 6. If you want to write from here, you can write down. Otherwise, no problem. In your studio book, we finished already this part. You can see this and write. Next, fourth one. I can taste with my dash. I can taste with my dash. So what is the body part we are using here to taste the food? Tell me, children. How you are eating? You are using your mouth. So what is the body part you are using to taste the food? You will use your tongue. You will use your tongue. So what is the spelling of tongue, children? T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Write down. Write down, children. Write down fast. Next question. I can feel with my. So whether the thing is hot or cold, how you will know, how you will feel. So what is the body part you will use here? I can feel with my skin. I can feel with my skin. So here what you have to write? I can feel with my dash. Here in this blank you have to write skin. Write down, children. Write down fast. These are the blanks about sense organs. I can see with my eyes. I can see with my eyes. I can smell with my nose. I can smell with my nose. I can hear with my ears. I can hear with my ears. I can taste with my tongue. With my tongue. I can feel with my skin. If you want to note down, you can note down from your studio book. Okay, children? Next. Here, so already we discussed each and every person is having their own talents. Yeah, am I right, children? Yes. Today I will explain you about these blanks. Okay. Here in page number 7. Okay, children. Now I am going to read one by one. A parrot dash mimic words. Here we have to compare. We have to write in these blanks can and cannot. Either can or cannot. Either can or cannot. If the bird can, if here the parrot can mimic. Mimic means what you will say, the same word will be repeated by that parrot. Am I right? Yes, that is mimic. So here a parrot can mimic. Parrot can mimic or cannot mimic? Yes, it can mimic. So, but it dash swim in the sea. Parrot can swim in the sea. What you have to write in that blank? Can or cannot? Which one? Parrot can swim in the sea? No. So what you have to write? Cannot. Parrot cannot swim in the sea. Am I right? Yes. Now I am going to explain these blanks. All of you finished this one? Right. So we are going to discuss about the talents of some animals. Parrot. A parrot dash mimic words. Here can or cannot. What you have to fill in that blanks with the can or cannot. Cannot. Yes. So tell me, children, a parrot can mimic or cannot mimic? I told you a parrot can mimic. What you have to write in that blank? Can. But it dash swim in the sea. Again, what you have to write in that blank? Cannot. Parrot cannot swim in the sea. Next. A cat dash catch a mouse. Can or cannot? Mouse can catch a
Mouse or
it cannot catch a mouse. It can catch a mouse. So in that first blank, what you have to write? Can. A cat can catch a mouse, but it dash fly. But it dash fly. Cat can fly? No. What you have to write in the second blank? It cannot fly. It cannot fly. Next. Third one. A rooster. A rooster dash get up very early, but it dash give you eggs. Here rooster is nothing but male hen. That is nothing but cock. So here male hen can lay eggs, but it can get up very early. Rooster can get up very early, but it cannot give you eggs. Rooster cannot give you eggs. In the first blank you have to write can. A rooster can get up early, very early, but it cannot give you eggs. Very good. Next. The fourth one. A snake dash walk or run because it does not have any legs. Snake is having any legs? No. Snake cannot walk or run because it is not having any legs. Yes, children. Next, what about goat? A goat dash climb rocks very well. Very well. So goat is there. It can climb the rocks. It can climb the hills also. Yes. A goat can. Here you have to write can. A goat can climb rocks very well. Climb rocks very well. But it dash fly. Goat can fly, children. Goat can fly. No. Here what you have to write? Cannot. Goat cannot fly. Goat cannot fly. Understand, children? Next, sixth one. A horse dash run very fast. Yes, what is the talent of horse here? A horse dash run very fast. Here what you have to write? Run can or cannot? Horse can run very fast. Yes, horse can run very fast. But it dash talk. Horse can talk, children. Tell me, horse can talk? No, it cannot talk. So what you have to write? In the second blank? Cannot.
What you have to write? It cannot.
It cannot talk.
Next. A goose
Dash
fly
for a long time. But it dash swim. Yes, what about goose? Goose means duck. Goose dash fly for a long time. Goose can fly for a long time.
no.
It cannot fly, but it dash swim.
It can
Swim in the water.
goose can swim.
Understand? Next, eighth question. A
Monkey
dash trees. What is the talent of monkey here? Monkey can climb the trees. Here blank is there. You have to fill it with can or cannot. What about monkey? Monkey can climb trees or it cannot climb trees. Tell me, children. Monkey can climb trees. Next, but it dash talk. Monkey can talk? No, only parrot, some type of birds only will talk. Monkey and here horse, they cannot talk. They cannot talk. So here what is the talent of monkey? It can climb the trees. It can climb the trees. It can jump from one tree to another tree, but it cannot talk. Next, a dog dash fly. A dog dash fly. What you have to write? A dog can fly or a dog cannot fly? Tell me, children. A dog. How many of you are having a pet animal dog in your home? So it can fly? No, it cannot fly. What you have to write in that blank? It cannot fly. But it dash smell very well. A dog can smell very well. Do you know, children, that one? That's why policeman use this dog to catch the thieves. By observing that thieves smell, it can easily catch the thief. So it can smell very well, but it cannot fly. Yes. Next, shark. A shark
dash walk or run.
run. Where the shark will live?
In the oceans or
Seas. It can walk or
run.
run? No.
The shark
Cannot walk or run. But dash
swim quite.
fast. But
What is the
the
talent of shark? It can
swim very fast, quite fast. It
is very fastly. It can
swim. Understand, children? That is about the
talents of some
animals. Like this, you are also having
some animals. Already we discussed. Yeah, am I right, children? Yes. In the next
next page we discussed.
some more talents about you. Next. 8th page.
Open 8th page. So
In this page,
what is there? About your talents. About singing, you can sing or you cannot sing. You can dance or you cannot dance. You can cook or you cannot cook. If you can swim or if you cannot swim. Understand, children?
yes. Here.
If you can ride a bike, you can write yes, I can. If you cannot, you have to write no, I cannot. Next, playground.
Here, play badminton. If you
Can play badminton, you have to write yes, I can. If you cannot, no, I cannot, you have to write here.
next, here down
Now list 2 more activities.
that you are good as. So what is the
Talents you have to write. Okay, children, that is about your talents. After that, we discussed page number 10, all about me.
here in this page?
You wrote about yourself, about your name, when you was born, your favorite color, and what do you want to become when you grown up. Next, I like to dash. Whether if you want to dance, you can write here, I like to dance. My favorite number, my favorite animal, and my favorite food. This page is all about yourself. You have to write your likes and about this is the information about you. All of you understand, children? Yes. So up to here what we discussed till now today about our sense organs and about the talents of some animals. Yeah, am I right? All of
You understand, children, up to here? So what you will do? The homework, you have to write these blanks, can or cannot blanks in your rough one time. Okay, can or cannot blanks are there. That is about the talents of some
animals are there. You have to write this in
your rough for one time.
time.
Tomorrow what we are going to discuss about here, taking care of myself. We already discussed
About this one, I will just revise once for your FA1 revision. Okay, how you have to take care of yourself by keeping your body parts clean. How you will be stay fit, stay energized, stay nutritious. All
these things.
we will discuss in the tomorrow's class. Okay, children. Thank you. Bye bye.